Hello students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given that see the figure and find the ratio. So basically, look here, this figure is to given us where inside this we are given the certain amount of figures. So if we can see that there are two circles we are given here, there are three triangles we are given here, and there are two squares we are given here. So we can say that the circles, number of circles is equals to 2, number of triangles is equals to 3, and the number of squares is equals to 2. Now we can say that the total number of figures inside this rectangle is equals to, we have 2 circles plus 3 triangles plus 2 square, that is equals to 7. So in the first part we have to find out the number of triangles to the number of circles inside the rectangle. So in the first part we have to find out the ratio. So we are considering about A. So ratio is equals to number of triangles, we have to find out the ratio of number of triangles to the number of circles. So we are going to take triangles in the numerator and circles in the denominator. Number of triangles to the number of circles. So we have number of triangles as 3 and we have number of circles as 2. So from here we can say that the ratio of number of triangles to the number of circles is equals to 3:2. So this is the answer to the part A of this question. Now let's discuss the part B. So in this part B, we have to find out the number of squares to all the figures inside the rectangle. So we have to find out the ratio of number of squares. So we are going to take number of squares in the numerator divided by the total figures in this rectangle. So total figures. As we just calculated, we have 2 squares and we have total 7 figures in all. So from here we can say that the ratio of ratio of square to the total number of figures is equals to 2 divided by 2:7. So this is the answer to the part B of this question. Now let's discuss the part C. In the part C of this question, we have to find out the number of circles to all the figures inside the rectangle. So we have to find out the ratio of number of figures. So we are going to ratio of number of circle to the all the figure inside the rectangle. So we are going to take circles in the numerator, number of circles in the numerator, and all the figures, total number of figures, basically total figures in the denominator. We know that inside the circle there are inside the rectangle there are 2 circles and the number of figure, total number of figure is 7. So from here we can say that the ratio of number of circles to the total figure is equals to 2:7. So this is the answer to the part C of this question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of ratios. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.